Hublay pi barwa pi apet ya kari hasi channel yung ra pi katuk khubor ka taiew kimat ki bakongsan hadu saus pa praplai tali ki yeng kila sha penjulor na uslap bat ke eryong ong menteri ketenat revenue and disaster management hakanyo tarik ujeliyo ka jingalang bakhat du bat ke HPC benram ukon rat ya ka jingkren benjat benriu unong yalam ka kongres Maham ka HYC balada om kendang ki basya bian halum survey kali hino da kaseng. Tingshan kalaban Bengali haka science but St. Mary's haka commerce haka result HSSLC. Yo parish thamai kabalang nongra bat maulin re. Aduk nice pa sa pandai ngot ka jingdon jong ki breo bat south pa prapulai tali ki long yeng haki nyo tali ki district jong ka jila Meghalaya kila sha penjula nakadaw jong jing thier jong ulaba bat ka eryong naduk kasnyu blay ka santering menta ubanai umentri jong ka tanat revenue and disaster management uba kirmen shila ulaya thu ba ki don ki jing tay kum ki school bat ki yang mani ki bala sha penjula haki ni kisni
Ulaya thuru ba kasing kong kila don sa kumba spotali kisnong kibala syakta na kajingjor palat uslap. Kumba kalong menta kam shimla don kano kajingjia kabas nyosi ha kano ka benta jong kajila panakaliang ka state disaster response force kila long kibapit ngor bah.
We have the report regarding the affected, which was the house affected, and then some of the the field affected regarding this some crops. So I have a report with me, which yesterday, the 5th May, there are 7 districts has been affected, which is the East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Eastern West Khasi Hills, West Janti Hills, East Janti Hills, South Garo Hills, and Southwest Khasi Hills. These are the 7 districts which was affected yesterday, and some village has been affected under this district. In East Khasi Hills, we have Mau Rengkneng, Mau Kendreu, and Mau Plang. And we have also Nong Stoin and Mau Shinrut in West Khasi Hills, and Mairang in Eastern West Khasi Hills, Thatlaskein and Amlarim in West Janti Hills, Wapung and Saipung in East Janti Hills, and we even have Dinchenrom village in East Janti Hills. We have Bakmara, Chokpot are affected in South Garo Hills, Maukarwat in Southwest Khasi Hills. So all these number of villages affected, we have 483 houses which are affected due to hailstorms and then cyclonic storm and then strong wind, heavy rainfall has occurred yesterday. So and as per the number population affected, we have roughly 949 numbers, which are some under assessment, and the number which we already got is 949. But sad to see there are some infrastructure also has been damaged, like schools, church, and even the other infrastructure. But even I've heard, we just got a report just now regarding with the today's incident, today the 6th. Nongstoin, under Nongstoin Sinadi block, which fall under West Khasi Hills. Mau Kowa village, Mau Langniang village, Seidli village, Pendingre village, Mau Ngap village, Urkali village, Umsao village, Mau Langniang village, and Mau Khan village. These are the village affected today under Nongstoin Sinadi block, and even Dencherom also got affected. So regarding this, there are few steps has been taken by our deputy commissioner of those concerned district. So they have tried the best to give some support and then some relief, instant relief to these people which are affected. So it's really nice to see that all the deputy commissioner of different district, they took the initiative and then they do as per the guided norms, and they give the and they try to give the need for those people for the instance, so that they can it will help them. So this is what has been done. So, and I really thank all the deputy commissioner and our officers concerned who is in the field to help and then give a protection for the people who got affected.
Shisngi hadian baki eryong kelarat dingkong ye ki arpo tali ki yeng bat ki dukan ki badona ka snong maulen rei ka bahap hapo ka Soringham constituency ki nong tre jong ka MECL ki latre shitom ban say no ya ki post light ki balaklem bat ban peniang no da ki batmai.
Haba pai sa kajing julor kine ki atli ki yeng kila syarat lom ki tunum yeng wat ki tier gitar ki badon hakane ka yeng kila julor lot pana kaliang kasnong kaya le teng ban kner ya ki jingrap na ka benta kine ki long yeng na kaliang MDC ka thain ubde artat UCM ka KJDC ba penyai sings em leng ba hummen jang u ba rito sings em kilalit ban IT da kitin sop yeng bat ki bam ki di sha ka dor ba snong leng ba uba ornel penrop uba dei u soda ringkat ka jingdon lang uba damut e ling do ba dei BDO
kuno ban mo ban yo tak jingrap na kanta chung bisa de mai ku play i video di sar badan lengkap ni depo limba ki telefon ni lai phone menen bat ni lala ban tembit tembiang ni kam hadu nata de ai ku play ka dor basman ni broko we ni kirang ba disamla kilong kemi ke lai don bentalang ban ya ai ka kete keman kete gading ya aku gini ki cinca bangimpai perkhat aku bilang ya baru ki badan ni kilong keme itu dia ki belasa banyak kini mau ndas ni la tok kap kemawa celaca asin makla dan bisnam de ngilalong iba ya keluar ban ya wan ban ya pek ya ban ya ai ka tege man keding aku mini ki pon iba ka bor mariang ka pun thut dan penwit te ngangit scam ba beliau don nengkat pat ni semua pada beliau ba kam tan kanono ke cinca na ka benta ke nong song snong no na susah lihat gitu yang ni kisam ni tai de re ba ni aingu pada beliau terkenat bolo dai ni pat kan kanono ke cing mensa kanono te na kaling chong i men para chonga balong MDC sama mereka no pro Soringham constituency pelakun yang balap penwan kulit sini nomor badminton ladai dan sabar kabar celah de ilapha yang bat ban ai tak kubur ba ban ni ini don ringkat bat pisya nak pos de wilayah pun bat i video lai pun lang bat i DC of nan namta i DC Deputy Commissioner coba is kasils ban penbek ini kam de kumcur mening layo ke telefon na i Deputy Chief Minister Isar Pestun Tensong ba ila patha nga banya kontak lagi Isar yo banya baik ini kakam de bat ni aku beli ka sarkar ba shimki ya kani kakam ba masutip ila ya penbek ba kani kakam kan long to menyai ba banyo keluar ya cingrap de bat kalong kumni kum balong menta de da kacing tres tomlang barok khat nadu ka dor basnong na kaling ka video bat na kaling ka sarkar kumta tater yang angit scam ba kani ka cingrap kanlong ka ba mentoy ye pisya bar khat wat ai por mo balingkot ngila sia persang ka pala de nakaling chung MDC ro nakaling chunga tingi ya don lingkat ba pisya bat ani ka por nganong itu ba kat bala iding ba don imbangila tungin kumbang ni saudar menya ba ni penbek kat no ki la yu chung khin ne pisya kat no telek kat na mo kilentang na ni kidia ngini penbek te kat bengin nang la na kali chongiro ngin yano senyang nam ta kidia te ngangit scam ba mo kanlong ka cingirap pat ibisya te wat ngimla pan aidut ro mah kat bangila nginum kular man ong aidut di boro te kat bangila lebor buit te bat ngina persang nangiro na kali chongi ba ngin wat kila kilente nang nin tai ro ba kanang ba ngkat pala ka cingdan kam chung ibisya
le meriang kamdu isu ke ba mai mak kibun kisnong menin tiba kejong di blok pagdon giyeng kibala siya ng shop how ni air bawan manin ngai publay ya tibaro isodar iga dorbash nong ibaro i badeng dari henman jongi CM di MDC kathan kumjuru ya i MLA berdon lang manin ani pek lang hanin hoy kumbaong ba i rang bash nong i sodar manin ba kumini ki jingjia ke jingjirap ke khamslem banwan andai de jing fresh tom sodar naliang i MDC pada liang ke district administration nagaliang ke block office pentup i gram sebab nila la ban ya penbej ban yo ban ai kat ba la am terus ni kumong ba ke dry ration ho ngira ut ban ai ke cu kapor andai ba kitu ki baya song ki ong in khamslem mar class ulang ke ikan sepoi tengah ong i sodar ba nyebu ba hangi so sampat ni ai kham shibit la poi kumong ba nagaliang jungi ngin sa submit ni report ni adap sim manin ki assessment ki ai tengin sa submit sekawai report ke ba ikini ki jingjia hagi ying haman laki ying ti ngamtip ong yo kan don yo kan dang don diang ke jingyo ya kata ngamtip pesyong saha ke government ke ban pe ndri ni kaliang jungi ngin sa submit la shai report jing sha la de ban submit menen baru chi sing ngin don lai tingla ban be pasal ni skini program ngin de shai tinggal tang tahi
Ka Sarkar Jala bat ka Harijan Panchayat Committee kila pelong ya ka jing ya kendo lang ka bakhadu ha ka nyo tarik ubanay jelio haswa bakin sim ya karai ka bakhadu panpen kan ria e kitu gi besyong ha ka them yo maulong u menteri rang ba benrap ba preston tensong ula kentaj ban pentep ya ke e ka balaya kran ha ka jing ya lang henry ulaya thu ba ka sarkar kalalong shai panpen kan ria no ya kite ki Harijan
Pat hakawai pat kaliang kinong mikman jong ke koloni kila ong ba kajingyalang kala long ke basaiso bat ke ke balak mi na kajingyalang pat ke sarkar kin salit ban yaselok bat ki basa ha them meter haswa bakin wan sha kajingyalang ke balong ha ke nyauterik ubna jiliu ha ke kajingyalang la don lang general secretary ujak deep singh balak mikman nak Delhi secret wara management committee
Kota Tombak dak liang ke members jong ke HPC kilawan hakaba kewan lang ru u lawyer joki nang te nang Delhi bat kumju ru u general secretary jong ke Gurudwara Delhi u ba bun sen u penpau ya ke jing songkia u kwa lang ru rengkat bon lawyer joki bangin poi sya ke jing ya sotu hakaba kanung don kanu ke jing ngomong yang tai de menta kasni kade ke meeting ke syong ni discuss biang ya kene kenta bat ka banga sotunat tolong na ui bana kaliang jongki members jongki HPC ru i kumbakila nang syai ke nang sotu ya ka jinggut ke jongi dan government ngamar ngi na ke government ni batai syai kedat ba ngi don kam ya ke relocation ndai bangin be ndai bangin lek ben yaki ki para baya song lang hane merla ki bala contribute la treshi tom nu nang menta ke jela jongi bakan kiu sakmat bat kiu saprang kam tam ne akat ki por ka binang ong don tang ka service ka service latrin ka ba 4 don gini ki septic tank gini kitai de maki ki ba put khoi ki ba suba na dong sedong ha ba dok por ngopi ngi tamat pe yaki tenteng ngi ting ngi sme to de nang da wat ya ka service joki ngi hak la kum nu ban yo por ka e ka ba ki la le ka e ka ba ki la contribute da kam ta ka jela jong brobe pin ong ha po pin ong ha sor juai ne ha sor turale ha sor shilong ka don ke jingsha ha ka ba ha ki to ki post ne bi la le no don batre ban ye kren sapang ka ni ka ja issue to de menta ka sngi ngong e pi ha ka jing ye kren na so thu ba ki ru ki shai ngi ru ngi ai ye ki pet ka ni ka jing bu jongi kumne begin la kumne ni kwa ban ra ya pi ha ka jaka ka ba biang ka ba lok save ka jaka ka ba kam ka jing pet ka jing hia na dong sudong ka ban bit ban biang ha ka ba ki kun ki ti jo pila shai shi sngiru kin yo ya ka jaka puli ka ba biang kin yo ka jaka sa ka biang bat ka ba bit ka te ka wei ka ba ngasutrat long ba na kalem jo kiru kila nang suatu susu ya kan ka blueprint ka bangi ai ka bangi la panchayat mat jogi ka bangi la ai ru presentation bat ka ba khandu ha ka jing ren kolong ki pan por ingi satang ka last meeting ka bangin hundu bat kata kolong nila fix ka dit haka first week jong pada Jun kamu hangap dan neutri ang sa tentatively ngelabu neutri di Jun bagin pulong ya kenika jing pedu but ngang next cap nakalian juk kiru ki ong ba kani kalong ka meeting ka ba khadu haka bangin ya simlang ya karai bat kata karai kan long nakam ta ke jing bit jing biang joki bat nakam ta ke jing bit jing biang jong ki pat ba ke jalam nekla joki baru
Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba Paul Lingdo ula kubur baki don ki jing duna ha ka bayade bat ki an ki bahaba po ka anti narcotic task force pala don kam ban pen bahai kini ki an kinang ban dobla ban pet ya ki jing e ha ka bayade bat ka jing pen kam bakla ya ki drugs
Ulaong baula kubur ru ba kidon kijaka kibadon kam ban penbha ha kabaya de ba kajing pentri kam ya ka anti narcotic task force kam tam e ba kane chisin bala de bantung kam ha katnat pulit insala ban le ha kabaya de bat ka kam khai bat di drug ha ka jila
the anti-narcotics force, and this will be largely addressed if once we complete the ongoing process of recruitment in the police department. We are also coming up with a formula whereby we involve the community on a larger scale in anti-drugs operations. We have been able to reach out to the community, as you will recall. A high-level meeting chaired by the Chief Minister was also held, where we had invited leaders of faith organizations and educational institutions. One major area where we have been able to penetrate into is Maulai. The town Darbar has come forward and has offered a plot of land on which we will be building facilities for rehabilitation of drug addicts and also counseling centers. So it's a very complex situation. It's not something that can be wished away in a matter of days or even months. More so in the light of the fact that Meghalaya has close proximity with Myanmar, which is the gateway, the Golden Triangle, and Meghalaya is also a point of convergence of various communities, and a lot of passengers and travelers to other parts of the northeast also pass via Shillong and the entire stretch of the GS road. So those are the factors that are primarily responsible. Of course, the problem is tremendous, but we are confident that with us having started to engage with the local communities, we should be in a position to improve things shortly.
Ka sarkar jala kalakren da kabashay bakamla ban le ya ka company ka baladon dak yong ni ka blacklisted company ka ARSS Infrastructure Projects Limited ka balayo ban pentrei ki projects jong ka Hagaro Hills.
Umekalaya BJP Vice President Badu MDC Keturau Bernard Marak ulabu kejingkeli ya ke sarkar MDA ba layalam da keseng NPP halor kejingle kelut bat sengabjar halor kene ke company kebala don dak new ka ARSS Infrastructure Projects Limited Henry kebala yo pat pentrei ya ki project hari lom garo.
Number one, he should understand one thing. These walls mostly done be it in Garolis or big project or this side in Khasi Hills. This project has been handed over to NHIDC or maybe Pati Nahai, NHI. So I am not aware at all whether that company has been blacklisted or not, because this has been done, as I said to you, be it the tendering process or be it the sanction, it was done by the ministry through the corporation, through the what we call it, through that NHIDC.
So are you saying that the government cannot do anything in this regard?
No, we cannot. Our responsibility is only to hand over the land. That also after due process been done with relating to the land acquisition. So that is okay. After that, after the land process acquisition is completed, then we hand over the land to the NHIDC. They are the one who call the tender, and they are the one also who allotted their work to the company who was successfully participated. As I said to you, the government of India through the Ministry of Road Transport, they have already created this corporation, NHIDCL, in the name of NHIDCL. What they have done is some projects, Ministry of Road Transport handed over to NHIDCL, and some projects they have handed over to the Nahai, because there are two agencies, public undertaking within the Ministry of Road Transport. We have two. Number one is, I said to you, number one is NHIDCL, and number two is Nahai. We have no authority to say anything on that, because our concern is only to complete the project on time.
Umentri katanat kikam jungok ay pertai ka jela uba pualing do uloong baya ka jingkot tenda na kabenta ka shilong rupi project kalong hagadur jong ka open post model code of conduct MCC baya kani anle ala kumno haga khat santarik ubanai jelio baya ka kam an sa IT pat ha ubanai naitung
Uloong ba sisin ba la khod ya katendar ka kam kan sestang notion perlaya turu ba ka mekhlaya kabinet ha unailur u arhajar puar kalapan scam ya ka first passenger roadway project ha ka jila ka bansna na lao sotun shashlong pik ha ka jinglot ka ba chispa lai poprak lo tengka
Are in the process of now, the EOI has already been floated. What has happened is that a fresh corrigendum is being issued, which takes care of certain aspects of the projects which were not covered in the draft UI. That is now being floated, and post MCC, the tenders will be opened.
By when can we expect the work to finally begin?
Once the tenders are open, which will be most probably in say 10th or to 15th of June, after that we will be able to allot the work. So say first part of July.
Menteri Rangba ka jela ukonrat kia sangma ula penram ya ka jingkan tho ben jaj benreu jong unong yalam bala Rangba bah ka Kongres usam pitroda ubaloong ba ki pat nong shong snong jong ka than chitay lamingi kia seriem ya kinong China.
Uloong ba kene ka jingkan tho ka ba mi naw no yalam ka Kongres sam pitroda ka de ka basnyo si bat kelak tak bahaya ke jingsngyo jong ki pai ba ka thain chate lamingi pat kum juru ya kinong song snong jong ki we pat ki benta jong kari ula ong ru ba kum ubriu nang ka thain chate lamingi layo I bat mat hakis nem bala le no haki post nem ki lami si bun jaj ki jing I ben persya ya ki pai ka thain chate lamingi pat kirmen bala jam palat ya kene menta henry habala yo sngo ya ka jingkren no yalam ka Kongres ha ka sur ka ba I ben pat penjak burom kadang penmong sisa ya kijing sngo ki breu pat compare la ki mut kumno ru kijing kren kum kite kimde ki pa sngo tenat ya ki pait ba jong kari.
The comments that came from senior Congress leader Mr. Sam Petroda is indeed very unfortunate, and it has really hurt the sentiments of the people of Northeast and similarly people from other parts of the country. Being a person from the Northeast, we have seen and experienced in the past years, in the past decades, different kind of racial discrimination against the people of the Northeast. And we had hoped that we have gone beyond that now. But when we hear senior leaders from the Congress party speak in such derogatory and discriminatory language, it does really hurt the sentiments of our people. And so, whatever context they may say that they have spoken in any context, a particular comment like this doesn't really go too well with the people of the country. This country is a diverse country, and the principles of this country is based on the diversity of the people that we have, whether in terms of its culture, the language, the looks, and that is what makes India what it is. And when you start to discriminate and make such kind of statements, it really goes against the entire idea of India itself. And therefore, I am very hurt, and we condemn this particular statement from the senior Congress party leader, Mr. Sampatro.
Unong ay ktian jong ka BJP Meghalaya uba M Kharkrang, ulo ang bagajing kanto jong unong yalam ka Congress usam Pituroda, klapen mong ya kajing sngo jong baro kinong shong shnong ke India, kamtam kinong shong shnong ki ba sa Hanot East, barulo ang bay kani kajing kanto jong u, deban penremjur.
Ulo ang ban kinto ba kibru kane ka time sa telamingi kinlong kum kinong China, kalong ka bamla ban pediang bat ke BJP ka kren da ka basyai sa Upitroda ba baro kibru kane ka time kilong kum ka yit khmi bat yo ya ka jing thaba ban sarong ban long kinong India.
Down Congress! Down Congress! We are not Chinese!
Yes, we are not
We are Indian! We are Indian!
We are not Chinese.
We are not Chinese! Northeast are not Chinese!
We are not Chinese.
We are Indian! We are Indian!
We are Indian, yes. We are
We condemn!
Congress!
We condemn the racist statement by
Congress. Sampatro.
we condemn the racist statement given by
Sampatro.
Down
Congress.
Down
Congress.
We are Indian. We are not
Chinese.
We are not
Chinese.
We are not
Chinese.
We are not
Chinese.
We condemn
Congress.
We condemn
Congress.
We condemn
Congress.
We condemn
Congress.
The outrageous and the shameful and the racist remarks made by Sampatro, who happens to be the advisor of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And in fact, right from earlier times also, people from Northeast have taken a very serious view whenever they have been, akin to the Chinese. And here's a person who is an advisor to the senior member of the Congress party, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Sampatro. He has termed that the Northeast people look like Chinese. We are not Chinese, we are Indians. We are Indians by blood and will continue to remain Indians.
Umentri katanat social welfare uba polling do, ulaya thu bayaga jingpin itu ya kibreu ki basyong dia jing dia hamadan kalakun noa. Bat kabasa kalong sa tangga jing a ya kidukan. Bayaga ni kakam an sa siyem jingkit clear da ka Shillong Municipal Board hapo ubana jelio.
Lai thu basisen balala ban pendep ya kene ka jingpin kinria kumju ka kam in saphai ru shakitain kum kalaban lai umkra bat kiwe ki jaka.
All I can say is that this is not an exercise that only we as a tourism department are engaged with, but primarily this was something that was taken up by the Shillong Municipal Board based on certain pronouncements of the Meghalaya High Court and also submissions made by the Hawkers Association. So it's an exercise that has gone now for the past 2 years or more and is at its final stages. If those hawkers wish to access more information, they have their own leaders who were part of the exercise conducted by the SMB, and also you'll be able to get more clarity from the officials of the Shillong Municipal Board. But as they were part of several rounds of discussions, SMB officials have submitted to us the progress report made by their exercise. There are vending committees which have gone into various aspects, and as I said, the identification process is already over. Now it's only the allotment of stalls which the SMB will take care of within the month of June.
So apart from Khubor Bazaar, apart from Khandailat, we also see like Ukra also is one of the areas which has very congested, with a lot of hawkers and all. Why more attention is not given in those different areas also?
Well, we go by priority. We prioritize areas which come into, for instance, Khandailat is part of the phase 1 of the Smart City project, and it is also the city center. Once that is done with, we will move into areas like Ukra, Alaban and others.
Unang yalam jong ke Nyotrep Youth Council uba Roy Kupar Senram ulaya tu bagi bor jong ke district kila lej banle ka survey bat banshim jing ke nyi kilong yang bat ulaya tu bagi ladon palat prapotali ki long yang ke balasa bian hagani ke jaka ka bahaba po ke Defense Estate Office.
Habaya kren bat kinong tho Khubor laong bakat kum ke jingong jongu ki babon na ki brio basa be ain hakane ke jaka ki dena Assam Uttar Pradesh bat kiwe ki jilla ulong bakaseng ka amantai khai pot ka ban IT dau additional magistrate shau DC ulong ba ka jingdawa ka seng ka long ning ba ki board district bat ka DSO kalong bakin le AA mador aga ba khindang yakine ki yeng be ain na kane ke jaka bat ong ba ka seng ka yeng scam hakanong rem balada kim le AA persha yakine ki yeng be ain wat hadien ka jinglap ya ka jing shisha na ka jing jurep kan pen bor ka seng ban shim ya kane ka kam ha ka kti da ka ba khindang ya kine ki bru balada mi kano ka huri hura Deputy Commissioner ba ka DSO kin hap shim ya ka jing ba khle
लेता था लॉकडाउन का पहले लेता था लॉकडाउन जब हुआ उसके बाद से हम लोग देना छोड़ दिया
उसी को पकड़ना है हम लोग को।
बोलो
तो नाम नहीं मालूम है हम लोग
तो पैसा कैसा दे दिया नाम नहीं मालूम
हम पैसा मांगने से आप देगा
तो मालूम ही नहीं तुम कैसे बोलता है 5 लोग का तो हम 12 दे
लाइट का भाड़ा देता था घर का भाड़ा तो नहीं
कौन लाइट दे रहा है आपको
लाइट का भाड़ा देता था
कौन किसको पैसा दे रहा है लाइट के लिए
क्या नाम है उसको
क्या नाम बोलो
नाम हमको याद नहीं आ रहा है कि
पैसा दे दिया लेकिन नाम याद नहीं आ रहा
हम पैसा मांगने से आप देगा नहीं क्या
अभी जब हम लोग का ऐसा होगा तो हम लोग को अगर पैसा मांगेगा तो हम लोग आप लोग को बोलेगा
उत्तर प्रदेश
हिंदू है
ना
कितना आदमी
हम लोग खाली 2 जन
बच्चा कितना है
बच्चा इधर नहीं है गाँव में
यहाँ रहता है कितना आदमी
5
आदमी कब से आया इधर
कहाँ से
हाँ 2006
क्या काम करता है
मांग के करता है ऑपरेशनल आदमी है 15 आदमी है एक नंबर करता है
ठीक है कहाँ से आया कहाँ से
असम से
क्या असम असम का
मंगलदोई डिस्ट्रिक्ट
मंगलदोई बांग्लादेश most of
लोग का सर डॉक्यूमेंट है
डॉक्यूमेंट तो कुछ है ही नहीं सर there's no documents
yes sir
and also there is an NGO who's been working inside by the name Spark Foundation. They have also given a list of all the people who are doing illegal activities inside. They are also in our support, completely with our support. That inside there is all the rubbish things are happening.
No, the question is not about whether they are Indian citizen or they are Bangladeshi. It's about legal settlement.
Yes, correct.
Our concern is the illegal settlement here.
Correct.
Our concern is to remove these people. If they are in the case, there is a stay order, fine. But the rest of them, 80 to 100 households, are illegally settling here.
Correct.
So they should not be permitted to stay here. That is the objective of us asking for an inspection, so that you know, because the DC has made a statement that there is a case going on. The matter is sub judice, but it is not the whole thing. Na? Only these 3. The rest are illegal settlement. So action should be taken for the illegal settlement. Na? Hadin mana kala liang jong kaseng ilawan daladi ningkong ni ajaka barakabaan ngilawan lang bat ki officer jong ka MCL but hadin mangilalap ya kajing don jong kini kibrio kiba sabian ya kani kajaka ngilatho ya ka complain ha UDC bat kiwe bat kibor ilai iru ya ka statement ka ba UDC ulah penmi ba kani kajaka bar ko we ka badan hang ni ka don ha kajing ele kes ka ba mau ong kalong sub judice Ti hadin mengi ka statement jong DC na kaliang jong kaseng ila tho sa kawi ka city ha ka office jong DC bat ha ka office jong DO cantonment bat kawi Khubor ban penpau ba kum kaseng ngem so ya hap ya ka jingkren jong DC ban ong ba ka don kis namar ba na kaliang jong kaseng hi nadu kasngi ka banengkong ka bengiwan ha kani ka jaka habang ilalap ka jing shisha ndi ta mengi shus ngam nang ilale lu ya ka jing toket daladehi ban lap ba hatu kani ka jaka ka don kis ne am shisha kat kum ka jing lap ka jongi ka long ba don tang laingut ki bri ki be le kis kani ka jaka bat ka jaka ka ba maki ki le kis ka di ka berit ka bomut baki kamtang itu jaka ki be maki ki le business ti hadin mengilalap ya kata ngila tho UDC da ka ban ong UDC bat ki Khubor ba pihak ban le ya ka spot inspection haringkat ka seng bat ki Khubor knang ba pinlap ya ka jing shisha no pimla ban shuong da ka ba syong te po DC office ban shu ay ya ka rai bangimla ban le namar ba ka don ka kis ti ngilabur ka por shitayo ha po shitayo ba ka DC office haringkat bat ki Khubor ki Devon le ya ka joint inspection hajaka knang ban lap ya ka jing shisha tingi so ban ai khuble UDC jong ka East Coast Hills ubala shim ya ka senjam ba shwa ban kut kata ka jing ai por ka jongi menta ka sngi ngilawan daladi ha ka bana ka office jong DC ula pha yo additional district magistrate kila don ki officer na po ka municipal board nya kaliang jong ka office jong ka police department kum juru na po cantonment board ka jinglet ka jongi menta ka sngi bat lembat ki officer nilai i dalagi jong ki khman ba ka jingele kis ka debit tik ya kani ka banta ka basaneng ka bandiat bat ki basa nang ta kini ki bri ka basyong thi hakabang ila yo banyo ki ka office jong DC kumot na ka district administration kila shim list ya ki kerteng bat ya ki yeng kat nutli ki long yeng ki don bat ha ka jing shim kerteng ka jong ki lam ba kaya hap kat kum ka jing ong ka jong ha ka to ka sngi ka mangi ong ba ki don prapo ha do shispa tali ki long yeng ki basa bea nya kani ka jaka bat na ka list ka jong ki ru kila poi hi sa ka prapo ngut ka umot babun na ki khang tala ya kini ki kamera ki bagisa bun don na ki bakim don na po yeng na makila yo jing tip le si bakan don kani ki inspection Nrei na kaliang ka jongi harangkat bat ka district administration ngila yo ban shim ya ki kat tu kan ni ki kerteng jong ki beri ki badon hang ni bat ya ki tu bom don ngila shim ya ka list jong ki tu ki yeng lan ki jakasyong ki jong ki ti lengba kan ni ka jingwan menta kasngi nga try ka district administration ka office jong DO defense estate officer ba kum juru ka cantonment board ba ka bor sarkar hi bro kwe kin tip ya ka jing shisha ba kani ka jing dawa ka jongi ka di jing dawa ka basyong nongrim ka jing ong ka jongi ka long ba to ya kata ka bale ki slightly ki jaka ai ba ka kut kan ai rai ndre ya kini ki balat pat prapo du shis pa tali ki long yeng ki basyong basa bean hang ni ya ki dai ban shim ka senjam ban weng no koloi na kani ka jaka but ni up ya ka report ka ba additional district magistrate and submit ka district administration but nginom up slam tan balada ka district administration kam shim kam abakalalap dalagi jong ki khmat bagini bri ki shong bean ya kani ka jaka ngin sapet pat kay ka senjam ka ba na kalang jong asam ngin sa shim nang ni siya khmat
U Officer Katnat Pulit baru Assistant Inspector General AIG Barim Kajala upa GK yang rai MPS ula ujor sya State Vigilance Officer SVO ba Chief Secretary Kajala upa DP Walang ba untuk kelar halor kejing keno pendon kam bakla ya kabor da u Director General of Police u Dr. LR Bishnoi bat kidkhot jangke inquiry committee balatung dakatnat Pulit
HKST balapa sya u Chief Secretary ba yang rai ula ong bala IT ya kene mantip harengkat ke jingkerpat panpa tian kam baman bat jingpen saja na katna departmental action persya ya kene ke officer namar ke jingpen don kam bakla ya ke syuki pat ki kam baman na lor kiwe ula ong bahak alpasan trik nai lor ke office u DGP kala IT ya ki kot kisla bayadai bat ke kaipot pala IT da ke inquiry committee sya secretary katna home police kabadon ya ki jingsyam jong ke committee ke bakli dau MK Singh Inspector General of Police Law and Order Meghalaya Police harengkat u DNR Marak Commander 1st MLP Battalion Mau Yong Shillong kumbalai ha kapara bankong jong kene kaipot ke committee kala ong ba kawe kali Hyundai warna kabala penyeng ha central workshop kedai kabala ai da u number thok bat umpat shim la register kene kali da u AIGA namar shim la don satya ki kot kisla uba yang rai ula ong ba ha kashpotrik rempang arajar pulai ha baju bab ya ki application pan ya ke kaipot jong ke inquiry committee katnat police persya u ya kene ke copy la ai lengba kasti ba pra terik rempang arajar pulai lengba Superintendent District Prison and Correctional Home Shillong menba udang don ha ke judicial custody Ola ong kaba penkendit ya halor kejing syam jengka komiti haka para benkong haka bala keno ba ke komiti kala keno ya bau ai number talk ya handai warna kaba penyang central workshop Bishnupur Shillong bat haba pule bhai ka khai pot bat khmi ya ka next year a serial number nyau punyo kadon kejing kedau ya kali number ML not R A not way warna kabadon ya chassis number MRLC Prasaway CLKM WR Prakandai Praprabi Hakaba Kamshim Ladan Kakap Hakapo Jong Kum AIGA Panpanda Yo number talk Naba Kanega Kali Kampat Judon Bat Henry Kumbala Penpau Dak Inquiry Committee Yang Nega Kali La Penyang Ha Central Workshop Kabadon Ha Kajingkmi Pajing Suma Jong in charge ke workshop Ula ong bakane kapen bakadon kejingyale suboy ban pengat ya da ka high level inquiry committee hapo kejing penya jong ki kato kane ki kwan ki officer pan pinto bre ay ka kam bat ka burom jong nalor kane ba yang rai ulaya thu ba haka khatsau tarik rempang ajar pula hadin ba ulait na ka judicial custody ula sha kem bat sha wanra sha CID police station Meghalaya Shillong pan pendep ya kejing don kam baro halor kejing sha kem
Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOS hakasingi balang kala pelat yak result jong ka Higher Secondary School Living Certificate HSSLC Science but Commerce Stream arajar apusau. Usamla sohan batat cherji na kalaban Bengali Boys High Secondary School ulayo banbat ikakardan beningkong jong ka HSSLC Science Stream Karba ka Ferry Filarisha 1 na ka St. Mary's High Secondary School kalayo banbat ikakardan beningkong haka Commerce Stream.
Haka HSLC sign usamla sohan layo South Pa Prapulai marks payo distinction hakin rutili ki subject. Uneu samlau layo ru hadu chispa ne ka chispa haka subject mathematics bat ka physics. Ubawan ba aru day u Gordon Cooper Nombri jong ka St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School ubayo South Pa nyeu penru marks ba distinction hakin rutili ki subject bat ar meker marpna na St. Anthony's High Secondary School Balawan balai da kabayo South Pa nyeu pui marks ba distinction hakin rutili ki subject. Haka HSLC Science ka sama Ferry Filarisha 1 kala yo South Pa nyeu pu R marks ba distinction hakin rutili ki subject. Kumjuru kane ka samla kala yo chispa na ka chispa marks haka subject mathematics but accountancy. Kala yo ru hadu khandai posau na ka chispa marks haka subject khasi MIL. Bawan Baar uday Uraj Paul jang St. Anthony's High Secondary School ubalawan Baar bat yo South Pa andru pulai marks ba distinction hakin rutili ki subject bat upongkok data jang kalaban Bengali Boys High Secondary School ubalawan balai bat yo South Pa sanpopra marks ba distinction hakin rutili ki subject. Kajing pas ki samla ka science stream ka kot hadu praposan point aposa percent kadba ha commerce stream ka kot prapo point r punru percent.
It's a mixed emotion. Right now I'm still shocked that how I got that. Never expected about getting the first rank or anything. Just shocked right now. So scoring 100 credit goes to my teacher. She really helped me a lot. Whenever I had doubts, even at 10, 11 o'clock I called her. She gave me reply. So it's all credit goes to her. Thank you so much, Miss, for helping me. Not only in physics and all the department. All the teachers are really amazing here. So what? Mainly it takes dedication and discipline. It doesn't mean that if you study for 10, 15 hours a day, you will get here. It's a misconception. You can just study for a few minutes also, but the concept of the subject, it should go into your head, and that is what makes the difference. And consistency and regular study makes it possible. So now you're absolutely delighted. Absolutely delighted by the results. I genuinely never expected this actually, but still it hopefully happened.
Feeling extremely happy, very much grateful to my teachers, my friends, and also to some of the teachers from some other schools who have gone out from their way to help me.
Pankaj Datta. What's on your mind right now?
No, mine. It is
now void actually, because my aim was to get my name there, not on the board. So that's why these things motivated me for getting this rank for third. I didn't even realize that I was not sure that I would get this third rank. I thought that I would get under 10 and some rank, but not third. But this is actually amazing.
Ka National Testing Agency NTA kadang pan kai puat na ka sarkar jala halor ka jing keno bakadon ka jing bakla ka por bapalong ya ka exam need ha juwai bat nong po ya kanila ya thu da ki samla ki bayale ka exam need hadien ka jing kendu ya umentri ka tenat puli puthi urakam e sangma
Abaklan Chiklat Patai Khubor Usamla Nang Maha Suchiang Ulai Thu Umentri Ulapon Yau Director ke NTA Hakmat Kisamla Pat Panjing Pensyai Halor ke Jingkeno Bami ke Jingle Pakla Hakapot Pelong ke exam need Hajawai West Center Hills Bat Nong Port Riverhoi District.
These are the students. Okay. Take this one.
Si kamtam ke GSU rangkat bagi perlok ke GSU. Adu kesin menengkong kesi menengkong haga dulu terik upenai me. Dari kata kesin menengkong hadin ke exam ke ba kena Port Joy Center. Kemudian kumbas hospangut ke bathoi ke exam. Hang tiga ski ba nong pok dan kumbahan 2% yang pongut. Tingilap bani ipensingau si ke jing ke jongki ke lang jing le turmur jongga tiga Joy Center ba nong Port Center. Pega pensusi sibun apa ngitep tingalit beran-beran sepok ketika jaka setiga Saint Mary's Maserlu tingilap kedai kijing bakalahi nagi ni ki invigilators ke bagilap pa arli ki question papers bagi datam kena apa lagan tasting andrei pensim ke decision bahdi kena ki klik ai question paper kin datam ke simpor ki at 4 minute pensim ke decision naliang administrative naliang ki bakandak exam antah dim klat ho sapo minute ki ya kata question paper ki simno ke mendatam no data wepat ke code number jong question paper kata kadai ke MNOP ke wei ba kadai ke QRST kini baru ke peni baga ko punya exam bola kata stang na mentah kadi exam kalau fail lupa haga first place ke sin kata ke haga jing stang gi jong ka apa kata kala kata stang te gabar ba kolong bagi kena hadin bagi bahari gadap ke exam ki sempat baga admit card jong ki jing sha day ban submit note ke arli ki pages na boga admit card ban submit jaga asa ki diki bapet bakmi invigilators hapo bapet hapo classroom kita tar kim pediang ke admit card kumpade ke guidelines jong ke NTA te kini porok pensusi kena dan no tu pergi kena ki sember labba all over India ki thok ke code number jong question paper ke QRST kumbagi thok mentan dan rei hapo Joy Center benopo ki 2 sets of question paper praset ki question paper kata kadai MNOP but QRST te kini borok ka peni long ka pen bakla lagi kena ka baglong discourage khantam ki tibulatam hak akibatam kasi menengkong begini ki batam license housing kana penduk mensin visio nomor borok koi ke re India ki biang rom penyai ke exam handre pan hagi ari ki center hapo state ke jongi ke longba kalong thurmur du kata te ngi pan leng sang ngi te tinggal pa ki ti beran sau education minister ngila pentep lang sau chief minister ko jo hoi ki lasim kian leng state handre pat ki wasosi ke longba ngi shutep kata ke khubor ke longba ke NTA ke tho ka conduct exam ni claim do yo bor le claim do pentep ya ke state government hang isu thok ke central agency ke conduct exam benar-benar geno ke interference ke state handre nga so banong pat so benjit ki center ban tho exam ke pentep ke state benjit ke balong paka bat ki balong well trained invigilators dan yang ke sangi mata sing la krem badu Minister in charge of education rakam sangma tingila keren kalong bagi pressure benjit ke center ke babiang kabahar kalong ba kini kena san sepangut kalau we jong ki ngimtep segan point la jia kumne bat kin long du mensim hage jing long turmur kalong thoi ke ni exam namar kumboong ra dili lupa sa 4 minute kimyo manatam baru ars party ki question ke marks la du lupa tukumtan leng sangi ni dawa naga sokar dim petskau ke NT kalong bakla fil pa di exam ha arli center badai dadala badlong bala ni dawa kalong ban men reconduct ke exam hage arli center baka syongpat hage wisdom ke jing penyat ini ke jing kalam long garai ke bakhado ke NTA ke dai ban penyat exam ke bahagawet apo state jungi bat ban reconduct exam na margi kena ya kwit lenti benyok wan attempt sa sisin ya kum kini exam bagi nyok la puli doktor.
So after talking to the director of the NTA, now the director is asking for the ground report from the state government, and we have already voiced our issue to our education minister, and the education minister have talked with the director of NTA. So now what we are waiting for is an official statement from NTA after, and NTA will get a ground report from the state government. And these students right now, particularly we want a re-examination for our particular center, which is in Nampo and in Juwai. And if possible, we want to no, we should. It's not just about possibility. See, because many of us have already spent many years here preparing for this exam, and many students have already spent so much resources on preparing for this exam. They went to Akash, they went to they went to coaching academies, and so many of us hopeful students from West Jainta Hills and from Ribhai district, we are hopeful about this exam. But then after writing the exam, we know that even the question paper, it's not written all over India, the question paper that we wrote. So after talking with the education minister, he said he will see into it. So as we students from the West Jainta Hills and from Ribhai district, we want a re-examination for our particular center, or they can give a re-examination for the whole state. But that we can decide, so that the NT will decide about that. It's up to the wisdom to see how do conduct the exam. But we want a re-examination. We don't want our year to be spoiled.
Problem was the same, like we received like 2 different sets of question paper, and we were asked to attempt only one. Like after 30 minutes or 40 minutes, they asked us to attempt the code MNOP, and then they asked us to set aside the QRST, which we were supposed to attempt.
Nakadaw jong kajing pambiang hagabaya day ba kajing pelong ya ke exam national eligibility come entrance test lani ke exam need u menteri ka sarkar jela bar unong lam ketien ka sarkar uba polling do ulong bakat nat puli puti ka deban le ai halo kini kijing deko khnam bakin omwan jia sho hadin habun
Ula ong bakne kijingja kelawan ra ya kijing kulma jimut jengki samla pule kibatho ya kene ka exam.
Valid demand, and I'm sure the education department will take a call on this immediately. But certainly the lapse should not have happened. It has caused a lot of psychological and undue mental pressure.
Ka sarkar jela kalakarpat ya ka National Testing Agency NTA bakan pelong biang ya ke exam national eligibility come entrance test lani ka exam need halo ka jingmi kinrum kinram ha ka bayade bat ka jing sam ya ke jingkali ha ka por ba pelong ya ka ni ka exam ka balada ha ka santari mentau penai
Menteri Keteran Pule Putih ura kam sama lo ong ba ula kren dalade ya u chairman ke NTA pat kerpat pat pelong biang dak away ke exam la dalong kabala ya ke neu lo ong hadin ke chingi kentu ya ke kenun ke KSU bat JSU ha ke sengi palai lai thu bau chairman ke NTA la pentip bau danglom jing tip ya ke ke bajia ha ka por balong ke exam henry umpat aktin AA halor ke nikta.
It would be from Juwai Center for the NEET exams. They've met you. Can you tell us more about it and what's your decision?
No, this is this issue. Something, if it has happened, so it's a very matter of concern. And yesterday I have also had a word with the chairman NTA personally also, and told him, inform him, and also our honorable chief minister, Sir Conrad Sangma, has also taken up the matter with the concerned authority NTA in Delhi, and also because this NEET exam directly connected with the medical department. But however, this also as a government responsible, I also personally taking up the matter, and like the NTA has also informed us that they're also assessing the ground situation, what will happen. They are doing the inquiry on this. So this is that, but we are taking up the matter.
Is there any possibility for a re-examination to reconduct the exams?
So it is not in the hands of the government. It's let the NTA decide. They will decide because it's a all India level examination. So that's been conducted for across the country for many lakhs, the 10, 15 lakhs students. So, but however, they are looking, they are examining the situation, what happened, really happened at the ground. It's not like that. So maybe NTA, it is this exam is being conducted by NTA, not by the state government. So there may be some issues have happened. We have from the state government, and the chief minister also communicated and taken up the matter. I also personally am spoken with the chairman NTA. I'm a director general NTA yesterday, and he informed me that they are assessing what they call ground reality, what really happened. They are asking from the center, and they have not communicated to us also. But since they are directly monitored from the directly with the center, I think they might have seeking the report from the center only, not from the state government.
Okay, so they are assessing the entire
Yes, been told.
incident.
Yeah, been told.
Did you also seek clarification from the chairman of the NTA as to why there were two sets of question papers on that?
No, this may not be the NTA directly connected, but it's a center in church who is in church center should have been briefed well, should have been trained well. I don't know whether they have briefed them properly or not. So that we don't know. I don't have any information. But let's we're waiting what the NTA decide on this.
But is state government pushing for a re-examination?
No, I have also personally requested to conduct the re-exam if possible. So they said based on the situation, they're looking at all angles. They are assessing what really happens. I think they are asking for the report from the center what really happened.
So how long will they require
That
to?
I don't know, because it's a letter. We are also writing to because this is directly. Health department also is taking up the matter. The Commission Secretary Health, Mr. Sabat Kumar, has already in touch with NTA.
Ka HANM New Shillong Circle hapo ka Jingalam Jong General Secretary uba banlam nanti thong ni kilale banya kendo yo executive engineer jong katanat boarding pan payo ka jing so khia lor ka jing lip boarding bakha kha ka ninga than kabalak ta ru ya ki jaka sumar kum ka nigrams bat ka NIAH hospital.
Kajing kedua jungi yau executive engineer jongka Shillong East MSC Shillong hadin kajing ujor jong kipan noilam Shillong jongka Dingyong ka Siyong ka Tenring halor kajing leblat kha kading athan Shillong ka Seng H&M ka Penpau ya kajing so persya ka Bajur halor kajing leblat kha habaro ka wei ka Shillong New Township ka ba lakta e kajing rikam jongka hospital migrants ka Nia hospital ki don bun tli ki jaka puli ki bahe akhate ka jaka bat ki shnong ki babun ki mat yu jinge nakadaw jongka jing leplat kha ka jing leplat ka ba khamtip por ka ba kta yang jing rikam jong ki atli hospital sarkar pedang ki bahe akhani ka jela ka kta yang jing rikam jong ki jaka ajing kai ki badan akhate ka than bat kumju iki pajba na susnong kibaran khani ka Shillong ni township ka Seng ka dawa na ka MEPDCL bahkan pinbiang iki boarding electric bat lada dan ka jing plat ka de banda pentip ka H&M ka Keli hatu ya ka Shillong New Township nang nyau bahkan de ka nong kedong hak ka bayade bat pinpoi iki boarding electric hatu ka Storka bat ka MEPDCL keempat itu ya kata ka jaka kabak kastorkar kelatih mentah ya ka main secretariat kabat kemai kum kastor Shillong kabat kemai bakas leblat kum kila disko ka Seng ka dawa bakas sarkar ka deban penyok no ya ka shispa life ar kilowatt bat penklan ya ka jiksam ika boarding electric akati kathan kum ba kalong mentah ka Seng kampat yo bakan kata ka station light ka ba shispa life ar kilowatt lada kala donru ka MECL kadai man pendap kloino bat lada kampan donru ka sarkar kadai ban bay pisa kerpang ban penyo ya ka station ka ba shispa lai puar kilowat ban penbiang ikam boarding hakati kathan kalam ka jingle ran ban ong bakadong berkatan maksiang kadai ka shlong leadership kadba ka jingle plat pat kalam ka balap palap ka ba kipat ba ni sosnong kimla shu ban sungtu kadba ka bailat ka poi tik tik manu benai klaim duna wat happening ka jingle leplat
Kabalang snong nongra bat maulen re ki bahab apo kaparish nong thamai hakasantarik ubanay jemang arajar apusaw kilayo ay lakajong kaparish bapura kabalatip kerteng kum ka Saint Dominic Savius parish nongra badia kani kaparish la IT hagi padal jong ka Congregation of Holy Cross balatung yaw Father Theophilus Sutton kum uparish priest beningkong jong kani kaparish
Ya kane ka paris patmai la wan ban pli da Archbishop Victor Lingdo ubade Archbishop ka Shillong Archdiocese ringkat ka jingdon lang u Father Richard Majau ubade Vicar General ka Shillong Archdiocese Father Augustine Gothala ubade Parish Priest ka Nong Thamai Father Tobias Karngap kinta Parish Priest ka Upper Shillong ringkat ki Wei Pat ki Lingdo
Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sama, and all other ministers who are here. I'm very happy to see all of you joining today in the opening of new parish in Nongra. I welcome you and we wish all the best. Hakani kasi ka bakraw, bangiwan hani ban pli kani ka parish bathamay, balay nam hakajiada jong Dominic Sabio bakot. Baru-baru ngitip bahaya ka jingiem uneu rukut udai kena samlarit Henry baik belai bakiar berbon ka pop bajuang berbon la ka yap banyak ka balik pop ai punya saj unia da ya kani ka parish bathamai nang ta shishu kani ka si ka bakrau habangi pli ya kani ka parish bathamai ka parish ka dei ka jaka ka ba Kibriu ki kedua lang ha ka jinga teli ka jinga e ka jinga long ka wei ha ka parish ku judan berbor ka jingla niam ki sakramen nadu ka baptisma hadu ka jinga tiu korim ha ka parish ka don berbor ka jihi kai niam ka parish ka dei berbor ka lat ka lenti banalap yu jisu ya ka hima chung blai ka parish ka dei ka jaka ban lep ha ya ki wei ban imha ka parish ka dei ka jaka ban chakri yu blai bat iki para brio kata kadau ka jingdan ka parish kadai ka jigar khu ba krautam jo ublei hagani ka por nga Most Reverend Victor Lingdo Archbishop ka Shillong dakini kishabi ngai tiapi mapilonong pet nong sumari ka yumani happy pada Theophilus Sutton CSC mentakasi santerik jemang arajar pusau ya ka jinglong trai halor kani ka parishong Dominic Sabio bakot nora is kasihir district rengkat baro ki hok bat ka jingmentoy bala pensno haka hak dung pa marukon banu mensim bakot amen pilayo paris paris patamai thapti khamjam
Nganget bakane kade ka sandur jong ublay bangelayo sakaway pat ka Paris thamai ha ka archdiocese jongi. Kababut pat nga panpaw ya ka jins ngungu jonga ya Archbishop Victor Lingdo ya Father Richard Zaran Vicar General bat kiway pat kilengdo kibalong kinong ay boy bat kinong pasiyaw ya ilengdo sat jongi. Pilapan paw ya ka jins ani ajong pi ha ka Sengruniam Holy Cross Mapilapen kamti yaka kam sarai jong gane ka Paris. Kabalay pat kapan pauro yaka jins ngungu yaki Father Missionary Salesians of Don Bosco kibalatrey hakini ke sanpus nem baladep lengba ka Paris keme ka Divine Savior Paris nong thamai. Ban penhe pensan yaka jingat Kristan Katolik jong gane ki arteli ki balang sinong nongra bat maulen rei. I want to thank the province leadership team of the Fathers of Holy Cross, province of Northeast India, under the leadership of Father Simon Fernandez, CSC, for giving me this opportunity to serve in this new parish. I understand that when much is given, much is also expected.
Hi Archbishop Victor Lingdo Didi, Archbishop Shillong Archdiocese. Archbishop Beej, ni kipai rungai kasing Dominic Savio Parish Nongra, ni dap daging songo kabakrao yo blay tragan ra balakren hapi, ban nyau yangi kipabit ban pidiang yakne ka kardan batumai, ban longkum kaway ka Parish hangne hanongra, nagbanta kipai rungai jong kabalang snong nongra ban maulen re. Langim dawa satya lengba jong pi, ni kwa ban songo yakilang do Salesian kiruniam bat kipai rungai jong ka Parish nong thamai kibalano senyang sa kijing mensem, bat ka jingat jongi nado ba kapor bala pen khamti yangi hapo gajing smar supher jang kapresh nong thamai lakumba san phewar snem khamjor shushu namar ba menta ka kenti da gajing lamu blai ba gajing ibit di Archbishop yangi la kenti ukardan cha kapresh ban pen pho pen pheng nya kalong breu man breu jangi kum kenong bodu Jesu Sister Rani Mary Pengrove FMA Sister Larissa Pasi MC Sister Dalang Lin MK Renja FMA Kublai Shibon ngingai ba dege jingwan jong kene ka Parish ka bathamai ngin sami ngin sayo Shibon sho ki reuniam. Mentangi ko aro ban pau ko jing songo ya baro ki phadar ki baladan ti bat ngi ki bawan masa kene ka balang ba Charles Pengrove MLA Nong Thamai constituency.
Badakatung ilapoy siya kabukod jong kani katup Khubor, yan saya siyang biyang batpi, hakawi par katayo. Kublay Shibon, Piaso.